Yung lumalabas ako ng bahay, sabihin sa akin, Eric, ang gwapo-gwapo mo. Minsan nakakalimutan ko magpasalamat, I feel bad.
Ba't ka ba nagpapasalamat? Nagsisinungaling yun. Ang gano'n mong pinapasin, hindi ba ito kaibigan yun?
May Piolo plus one. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabi sa'yo ng isang tao, may makasalubong ka dyan. Piolo, kamukha mo si Eric Santos, hindi ka magpapasalamat?
Susuntokin ko.
Yung ating band, pasalamatan natin.
Come on.
Pasalamatan natin ang ating band. Siyempre, our backup vocalist, and of course, our music director, Mr. Louie Ocampo.
Napakagaling, Mr. Louie Ocampo. Thank you.
Kung kami ang pop icon, siya ang the pop legend! No, just kidding, sir. Alright, how about this? How about to someone who is always there for you, diba? Minsan, we forget to say thank you, gaya ng mga fans, diba? So, to all our fans, thank you.
Thank you. My family.
And my family, lahat ng mga taga Cavite, thank you. And bukod sa nabanggit ninyo, kailan ba tayo huling nag-thank you kay Lord for all the blessings we have received? Wow.
Kaya mo, Mac, ha? Sumakay ka sa barko, di ba? Kaya na ako pasalamat.
Kasi nagpapasalamat ako. Kasi syempre dati, nung sumasakay pa lang ako ng barko na walang pamasahe, ngayon nandito kasama ko kayo lahat dito sa Araneta Coliseum.
Araneta.
Kaya sobrang thankful ako and sobrang blessed ako.
Thank you, Lord.
Siyempre, utang natin yan sa mga fans natin.
It's really hard to explain the events that happen in our lives or the people that come into our lives. It's even harder to describe the feelings of gratitude we have for the one who have made and continue to make it all happen.
And of course, maraming paraan yan, through prayers, through sharing of one's blessings, or ito, how about through a meaningful song, you know, that comes from our hearts. This is for you.